Hello everyone. Today market has closed for 18th August. We will see the forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 19th August tomorrow. I'm doing this video from Europe. Now the time is 5 o'clock. In India, it should be 8:30 p.m. today. And before we go to the forecast for tomorrow, I just want to share. I uploaded the shorts. Some people could have seen the shorts. I made around 9,000 rupees on small trade, but there is nothing to be proud of this profit because it was a gap up today of 400 to 700 points because of the news from our Indian government on the taxations from our Prime Minister Modi. Um, After this gap up, we were not sure whether the market will continue upwards or it will go downwards. And there were short coverings. People whoever were having in the downward side, they were doing short coverings. Due to short coverings, the market which for Nifty which gap up above 400 points, it fall down 200 points, and for Bank Nifty which gap up around 800 points, it again fall down due to consolidation around 400 points. So it was not very clear direction. So I did some small monkey trades with small price action, and I was able to accumulate this profit with multiple trades. Okay, I just want to share with you. Okay, let's go to for tomorrow's prediction. So if you see here, uh, there was a very clear price gap has formed. You can see this green line, it's a price gap. So it has jumped around 400 points in Nifty, and there is a big price gap happened. Okay, but even after this price gap, if we say what is the trend for Nifty, still I would not say that Nifty has completely turned to uptrend. Okay, so yes, we are now in bullish, but still we are in consolidation. Still Nifty has not completely turned into uptrend. Let's see in detail about tomorrow's analysis. I've already predicted the points to save time. You can pause the video and do a quick reading. Okay. Okay. First thing is um, to note down is 18th August, the pivot was 24,635. Since it was a big gap up, the pivot has gone up 300 points. Okay. So for tomorrow, the pivot is 24,918. So for some people who don't know what is pivot, the upper pivot is 24,937. The lower pivot is 24,897. So currently the price is below the lower pivot. Okay, currently the price is 24,876. It is below the lower pivot. So what it means? When the price tomorrow, if it is trading above 24,937, sentimentally the Nifty is upside movement. Okay, psychologically it is in the upside movement. Till the Nifty is trending below 24,895, then the Nifty is psychologically it is in the downtrend for the day. Okay, so this pivot is like a Lakshman Rekha for the day. Okay, this will give you some guidance over how the Nifty movement is going to be. Okay, so currently it is consolidated below the pivot, lower pivot. Okay, so I have said Nifty has done a gap up of 400 points and consolidated to close to 245 points plus. But still Nifty is not completely uptrend, but at bullish side consolidation. Why? If you see the daily chart, let me show you. If you see the daily chart, it is an upside movement, high, but price has come down to 24,340, but still it has not recovered. So price has touched to 25,020, and it is now trading at 24,976. If you can see, still the trend line has not formed. Okay, according to daily chart, about 25,674 is completely an uptrend for Nifty. Even if we go till if you see the some lower time frame, let's see. If you take a 4 hours time frame, If you see here, this was the high point on 30th June, 25,667. Again, it has formed lower high, and lower 24,347. Today there was a price gap up, and it crossed this point. Yes, 24,940. It crossed this point and it touched 25,000, but it did not sustain above this point, 24,950. It has closed before below 24,900. It is trading below 25,900. So as per price action, it is still have not formed the complete pattern to be converted into uptrend. That is why I have written Nifty is not completely uptrend, but we can say at bullish side consolidation. Why I said bullish side consolidation? So in weekend we got from our Prime Minister Modi about the tax benefits, but still these are not in papers. It will take a month or so to be released officially. Okay, so we have 1 month. So what how I see is today's price gap up is only purely based on sentiment and the market news. Okay, so from tomorrow the price can start consolidation around this point. And also one important thing to note down is, let me pull down here. So okay, and another one important thing to note down is the price will be in consolidation, and you see this price gap. Okay, so where is this price gap? I written price gap has formed till 24,625. Till 24,625 there is a price gap. So during this consolidation in next few days, in this week or by next week, the Nifty will try to close this price. So when it is consolidating, it will try to come and fill this price gap before it goes for a large movement. Whether it will fill it tomorrow or next 2 days, that is not sure. But this point to be noted. All Nifty is in consolidation. Today's gap up was clearly because of the sentiment, the positive news from the Indian government, but still it is not in paper. So yes, it is a gap up, but still it is in consolidation. So this clarity is required. Okay. Now quickly we will go to the sell target and entry exit points. Okay. So sell point, if the price crossed down to close below 24,920, 24,829 in 30 minutes candle. So today I added one additional detail. Okay, so till yesterday I was not giving which candle to watch for. This will give more accurate clarity for all. So when a 30 minutes candle, if now the 30 minutes candle is around this price 24,879. When the 30 minutes candle closes below 24,829, okay, then you enter into sell target for 24,740. Okay, so here around 30 points, here around 40, 60 points, around 90 points we have target. Okay, so 30 minutes candle can break 24,830, but it can again reverse above 24,830. So you need to wait till the 30-minute candle clearly close below 24,829. It should not be a wick. A complete candle should close below 24,829. Then you enter into a sell target for 24,740. Okay. And once the 24,740 is broken, so the next target is if the price cross down to close below 24,740 in 1 hour candle. In 1 hour candle, if the price close below 24,740, then we will have the second target as 24,635. What is 24,635? This is the price gap formed. Yes. So this is the price gap formed. So the next target will be 24,635. The price gap is still, yes, you see, 24,632. So these are the two sell targets, very clear sell targets. I have given in a very clear manner. Entry also I have given, and also 30 minutes candle. If you ask me what is stop loss, don't worry about stop loss. If the candle closes below 24,829 in 30 minutes candle, it is going to come and touch 24,740. Even if it is not coming and touching 24,740, it will touch 24,700. Okay, 30 points is 100% sure. It depends on you how much capital you have, how much time you can stay in trade if you are an option buyer, whether you can wait till 24,740 or whether you can exit above 24,750 or you can exit above 24,800. So from 24,829 till 24,740, you can get a profit from 2,000 to 20,000 also, depending upon the capital and lot size and how much. When you want to exit, it is purely your self decision and discipline with respect to lot size and your target for the day. Okay, so entry point is very accurate, but exit point, sometimes price can reverse at 24,800 and it can stay sometime. Okay, it will consolidate 24/7 800 and probably for 10 minutes to 15 minutes it will stay up and down around 25,800 and it will start again breaking down to 24,740. So till the time when it is consolidating in middle of this 70 points, okay, 90 points, okay, there can be price decay. So all these things are decision taken by yourself individually during the trade time depending on your capital. But one thing is, you can take it for sure, when a 30 minutes candle closes below this point, 24,829, 24,825, 24,820, it is coming below, then your vision, your target is there. Okay, 24,740, 24,775, 25,750, easily it is going to come. Okay, so you can take your decision when to exit, how much profit. Okay, this is clearly a guidance. We are doing this prediction one day before. Okay, so exactly pinpoint, we cannot say at what point it is going to reverse, but technically the price will reach here at 24,740. At 24,740 it will show a reversal. Okay, so you need to, if you are in sell position, you need to definitely exit at 24,740. Okay, and then wait for 1 hour candle to close below 24,740 and then enter into fresh entry for a fresh target. Okay, on the upside, if the price cross above and close above 24,960, okay, if it is closes 24,960 in 15 minutes candle, then the buy target is 25. What is 25? It is today's high. Okay, there can be resistance at this point, so exit your target. This is a very short target, 40 points plus 25 points, 40 plus 25, 60 points around, there is a target, and exit your target at this point. Then wait for 24.25 in 4 hours candle, then wait again to price close above 24.25 in 4 hours candle. Means after the market opens, after 4 hours, if you see the Nifty is trading above 24.25, then you enter into the next target for 25,140. This is again around 120 points target. Okay, I hope you are clear on how we make an entry with respect to candle closure and the target. Okay, so this is a clear prediction, guys. Take this as a guidance and take your decision according to your lot size and risk taking ability. Okay, let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it's the same story. It is a gap up, but still the trend is not uptrend. It is bullish and it is consolidating. Okay, and we can clearly see again for Bank Nifty. You see the high point was at 2nd July 57,617, and then it formed lower high at around 24th July, and it is completely down. Okay, so it gap up here, but still it is not sufficient to be completely uptrend. It is still at the lower high only. And you see there is a clear resistance at 56,200. You can see. Okay, so 56,200 will be a clear resistance in the daily time frame. Okay, so let me also take the prediction for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, I'm moving from let me format it. Okay, let me move from daily chart. If you see in the daily chart, the trend is still downtrend, but there is a gap up. Okay, so in daily chart, there is a clear resistance of 56,200. So at any point of time tomorrow, if it is going up, you are in buy side, you need to definitely exit at 56,200. Okay, so I have also mentioned here 56,200 is daily candle resistance. So that means you need to definitely exit your buy position at this point. Okay, let me quickly go to 30 minutes so that we can have more clear details. So here in even in 4 hours time frame, you see it is clearly a downtrend trend line. You see, so clear trend is not yet formed. Okay, let's quickly go to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I started with sell target points. If the price cross down and sustains below 55,657, current price is 55,734. The first entry point for sell is 55,657 in 30 minutes candle. Okay, sometimes in 5 minutes candle it will come below 55,657 and again it will reverse back above 657. So in 5 minutes candle you should not take an entry. Okay, you need to go to 30 minutes candle. You need to see this 30 minutes candle, if it is closing below 55,657. Okay, if it is closing below 65,657, once the candle closes below 55,657, then you go for target 55,425. It is a very good target. Okay, it is around 75, 125, 150, or close to 200 points. There is a target, so it is a very good target to make. Okay, so the condition is this. So once 55,425 reaches, you need to exit your position. So these targets are reversal points. When you are in sell side, when the price touches 55,425, the price will react for reversal. Okay, then wait for candle 1 hour candle to close below 55,420. Then you enter into new sell position to come for 55,360. What is 55,360? It's a price gap. Okay, where from yesterday, last week it jumped. So the price gap is still 55, 350. I've given a safer exit, 55, 360. So just clearly a two targets, clearly two entries, same as Nifty. Okay, so if you see tomorrow, if it is a gap down or if it is a flat, there is a more chances that it will break. It will break 55 650 and come down. But wait for 30 minutes candle to close below 55 657, and the pivot is 55 848 is the pivot. Okay, so where as long as bank nifty is trading below 55 790, it is in the downward sentiment. As and if the bank nifty crosses above 55 900, it is an upward sentiment. Okay, you psychologically you should start setting your mind. Above pivot it will be in upward direction, below pivot it will be in the downward direction. It is like a Lakshman Rekha guidance for you for the whole day. Okay, so in the upside, I've given bank nifty is currently under resistance 5600. Yes, so we have a current resistance around 5600. Okay, and I've given two targets. If the price cross above and sustains above 5600 in 15 minutes candle, okay, you go to 15 minutes candle. Okay, in 15 minutes time frame, if the price go up, now if it is 55,734, it goes up, goes up. If it is crossing 5600 in 15 minutes candle, so this is around 200 to 300 points. You need to wait for doing a buy position. Okay, so once the price cross above 55 900, uh, you can take a risk to go for buy position. Okay, see, I can also give this. Yes, why not? Let me give one more entry. It's a very short entry I will give. If the price cross up and sustains above this pivot 55 900, okay, 55 900, 15 minutes candle, then buy for target 55 56 100. Okay, this is a very short target. Okay, and definitely exit at 5600. Okay, exit at 5600, price will come down. If you are an option buyer, you exit here. Every target you should exit, and then you need to look for a new entry. Okay, and there is again a resistance at 56 150. So target 2 can be 56 150. 56 150. Yes. So if the price closes above 5600 in 4 hours candle, you check for 4 hours candle. If it closes above 5600, if it closes above 5600, then the target is 56200. Okay, so I have given two 15 minutes candle guidance for entry and one 4 hours candle guidance for entry. Okay, hope it is clear, guys. So read it through and listen to my video again. You will definitely understand the entry and exit points, and it will definitely help you to take decisions. Okay, so all the best, guys, for tomorrow. Have a safe trade. Have a safe trade tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Pause the video and try to take these points as guidance. And you also do your analysis. And there are a lot of experts in YouTube. Take all the analysis and take a consolidated decision clearly based on your capital. One basic advice for option buyer: do not stay into the trade for long time. Whenever the trend, with whatever the trend direction, you need to be in the entry. If it is going up, you need to be in the buy side. If it is going down, you need to be in the sell side. You cannot be in opposite side being an option buyer. Okay, and again, if the direction is not moving 15-20 minutes, it is consolidating loss, you come and verify again the target. If it is around the target, if it is below or above the entry exactly mentioned, you have hope, definitely hope to come to this target. Definitely you have hope. Okay, but you have taken some risk without respecting these entries. Then you are definitely in high risk, and the price is moving flat, started moving flat. Then you need to exit. Okay, and re-enter once the trade resume. This is the fundamental rule for option buyer. Otherwise, you will get caught in price decay. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. All the best for tomorrow. See you. Bye.